me hold the camera.
No, 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 no.
On the Nerf ball, you say dink, 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 dink. Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, taking Alex's camera. Boom, gang, whole lot of gang.
Oh, shit. Finally off work, we stayed a little bit late today. What's up, James?
What up, cut?
Hey, I like that energy. We need that energy on the channel. So, we're going to check out a longtime subscriber of the channel. He just got his truck lifted. He literally picked it up about 5 minutes ago, and he's on the way. We're gonna go meet him at the tent shop. James has never been to the tent shop.
I get to meet my damn boys.
The new subscriber with the new Lifted Cummins has never been to the tent shop. And we just gonna hang out and just kind of, you know.
Whip our
God damn, that's, all right. I'll see you guys there. I just washed this when I left work. That's freaking annoying.
I can hit a tree branch and I thought it was a little kid for a second. Holy shit, dude. I really thought I ran over a little kid. That tree branch was scary.
Nick's up here, Zach and Cody are up here.
Holy shit, the Sweet Life is Zach and Cody?
That's their names actually, yeah, it's Zach and Cody.
Holy shit, dude, I'm a big fan. I still watch out to this day.
The boys! We got the whole Dick squad up here.
Cigarettes and pork skins.
Cigarettes and pork skins. What's going on?
What's
What's going on?
What's up?
Hello? Hello, going around. Going around. Hello, hello, how's it going? Hello, you two again. Hi. 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 John lowered the front of his new drift car. Oh, you put new wheels on it too. New wheels on the drift car. Look at this. Look at that. I can't even like.
So we lowered it 18 threads, about 1.5 inches, and it just barely doesn't rub.
Really? Hell yeah. I wish it did rub. That's the lifted truck life, is rubbing when you turn. Rear wheels look pretty cool. Have you drifted in it yet?
No, we just driven it around.
Full drift setup. What, like 2,500 bucks?
Yep, 2,500 bucks.
Custom hood?
DIY vented hood.
DIY vented hood. I absolutely love it. Ooh, look at the splatter paint on the top. That's pretty cool. Special hands. Ooh. Oh, it's like really splatter painted.
Yeah, even the heads are.
They just let it rip. Just.
Yeah, now I want to get this splatter painted.
That's gonna be pretty cool.
I mean, might as well keep the theme.
Hell yeah, looks good. You gotta take me drifting in it.
Yeah.
I've been drifting in Zach's car a little bit, but I need some more in my life. Oh shit. Give my 2 cents real quick before we let James take over. We're gonna let James do the review today. First of all, beautiful truck, Fox shocks, you got the amp tires. I've never even seen these wheels before. I really like these wheels. These wheels are absolutely beautiful. Concave, you know, I've got concave on my truck. Those look super, super clean. A couple of spike lug nuts on there maybe later on down the road, and this will be just absolutely beautiful. But you know, the Cummins turbo diesel always turns out absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna do today, because this one is super special, we're gonna let James do the review today. And there might be a lot of cuss words, there might be a lot of bleeping out. I might have to cut some stuff. I don't know how it's gonna go. But James, are you ready to take on the task of doing the review on this beautiful truck today?
Yeah, all right, first of all, you move.
Here. I want you to.
Let me hold the camera.
No.
Okay.
Let's hear it.
All right, first of all, I don't think you're getting a ticket. Okay. Second of all, okay, you got enough tread. You passed.
He's got some tread.
Holy shit.
Fox?
Is this the
Oh, we're
supercharger?
blocking the road. We're blocking the road. I'm so
what's up,
sorry.
guys?
Oh, they're with Zach. We're good. We're good.
I
They're
have
with
to
Zach.
make sure they like. Let's check the interior. Can I open your door? Yeah.
Oh, get inside.
Can I see the keys too?
Black leather? No, don't give him the keys. Don't give him the keys. Don't give him the keys.
I'm afraid.
Tell me about the wheels. Tell me about the wheels, James.
All right, so these are brand new Ford Gianos. Oh, here's your keys, guys.
Ford Gianos?
These are brand new Ford Gianos. You know, these are
24s?
24s. Okay. I don't know. This is one of my favorite Ford Fiestas I've ever reviewed in my life because it has the big wheels on.
Hey, I like the third brake light though. That's pretty cool.
Ah,
That's aftermarket.
right.
That's aftermarket.
Lamiri. Lamiri. I don't know, man. I didn't know Ford Fiesta had that.
Do you like the truck though?
Oh, 100. You see? Where's the valve stem? Where's the valve stem? Oh, okay. They did it. I had to make sure. They ain't no.
They put the yellow dot with the valve stem. Is that where the gasoline goes?
No, it's not gasoline, dude. It's E85.
E85. It's it's
What is
E85. That's a race truck.
This is where you put the racing gas.
Race truck.
Yeah! Check the back seats, because this is where he's going to be doing all the You see when he got his girl bent over right here? You hit him with the... You get on the Nerf ball, you say dink, 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 dink. She getting plowed. And film the open countries.
Open countries.
How much you willing to sell them for?
I already got a buyer.
Already sold. I'm sorry, you can't put them on. You can't put them on the Tahoe. I'm sorry.
Hey, can I pop the hood?
Oh, we're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna pop the hood real quick and let y'all see what's under.
What the hell?
I'm too short. I'm too short.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it
I gotta
down.
get my step ladder.
There's a turbo in there somewhere.
Hold up, bro. Where my high tops at?
There's a turbo in there somewhere. I know it.
Give me the camera.
Oh no.
Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, taking Alex's fucking camera. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit. Loser. And he had to take a phone. He didn't care about his camera. You guys want to see my sack? He got a BBC. Y'all want to see his nut sack? How big would you rate? Let's go 1 to 10.
Hey.
Mine's like, I don't know, a 3, but I am also white, so. How big would you rate your?
What did we say last time?
He lost.
3.5?
Get him out of here. He lost.
That's what he said.
3.5?
Drive big trucks.
Hey guys. Okay.
James Hose with 3 E's, everybody. Make sure you guys go follow him on Twitch. Make sure you go follow my guy on Instagram. I was a little skeptical about how it was gonna look, and then you showed me the wheels and I was like, okay, that's pretty cool. But then when you pulled up, like I didn't even get it on camera. Like I turned around and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Cause like this is above my expectation, to be honest. Like I love it. The wheels are different.
I told you I was like this indecisive between like wheels.
Yeah.
I was going with forces. I was gonna go with the Flex Fuel, the Flex XS's.
Yeah.
And then I seen this and I was like, that shit look crazy, like the wheels. And I was like, I looked online. I was like, oh, this will look real good on my truck. I was like, and it matched like the color and stuff with the wheels. And then it just came out like this. I didn't know it was gonna look.
I've never seen these wheels before. I have a feeling you're gonna see more people with them now.
Yeah.
Because those wheels look good, definitely.
Yeah, I've never saw
What size lift is it?
6 inch.
6 inch
it. It looks bigger than
BDS.
that.
Was it BDS? Hell yeah.
I gotta
Definitely the way to go.
I do gotta worry, like, figure out how to learn how to drive it.
Yeah.
Want to rub.
Yep.
Because I'm still like
Yep.
cautious. I'm like,
Yeah, you got to be careful. Once you start driving a lifted truck, you gotta be careful now.
But probably give me like a week or 2, and it's like whipping that bitch like it ain't nothing.
Appreciate the boy coming through. Y'all check out his YouTube. It'll be like, I forget which side it's on. I think it's this side. YouTube, Instagram, it's all the same. Go check my boy out.
This side.
Hose with 3 E's. James Hose. James is a hoe with 3 E's. Stop talking about my ass, James. Hey, you want to say it? You want to say it?
What's up, guys?
No, that's not what you're supposed to say.
Oh.
Let's get this bread. That was so fucking weird. I'm not gonna let it.
That's making.
Just say, let's get this bread. That's it.
Let's get this bread. We gotta. Yeah.
Let's get this bread.
Let's get this bread. This bread, baby. That's what I'm